Listen, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, children of all ages, welcome to Giant Tactical Day. I'm here at Hollywood Sports Park. Pay close attention in the background. Look at that fine gentleman drinking a red Gatorade. Out here hydrating, understanding what they need to do. We're here at Hollywood Sports. It's the Halloween edition. It's about to be lit. We're playing a bloodbath game, which means you gotta keep your head on a swivel, which means you gotta look both ways, which means thousands of paintballs are flying at your head and your wig could get split at any time. There's a lot of people on the field. Maybe they shot you, maybe I did. I don't really know. Yeah, hey, we're on Snapchat, snapping the vlog. The vlog's filming the Snapchat. This is BearDegidio reporting live from Giant Tactical Day. It's a bright sunny day. It seems like there's a nice little energy in the air. And my boy's drinking a red Gatorade. How's the red Gatorade?
Tastes great.
Well, I love that. Hydrating?
Very
We know it's already hydrating. You be drinking the red Gatorade on the field.
Yes.
Wow, man, a few words.
Reporting live.
Get this blue battle swab out of here. I only mess with red Gatorades, which means I only want a red battle swab.
Red pod, everything red. Red tank, red gun, everything. A's on the report card.
Then let it be known, my boy right here got straight A's in school. Shout out to the GPA. So he brought him out here to Giant Tactical Day like a legend. Take care of your family. How many times do I tell you, a mama bear doesn't let a little baby bear just roam the plains by herself. They gallop together.
Bears don't gallop.
Of course they gallop, dude. Are you kidding me? Have you ever watched National Geographic? Oh, you out your goddamn mind. Like majestic herds.
A herd of...
A herd of one. Right now we are going to Apocalypse. It's the bloodbath. It's about to be crazy. Playing a 15-minute long game. You basically just gotta shoot everybody. Look at this guy. He is ready. Yeah, he looks ready. Teletubby, give me a 360. Give me a 360. They should have never canceled this show. Look at this man. He has so much energy. Oh, look at this man. Ready! Oh my God, look at this 360 real quick. Let me get a full 360. Look at the colors, look at the effort. You know what I'm saying? That's a one-wear costume. That thing ain't lasting all day. Follow me. You ready? Where are we going? Where are we going?
Just remember this, Nate. You're not supposed to die today.
The whole point of this game is not to die. But my boy Nate over here wants to just run into the other team. Over there is ready to rock. You ready? Oh, he's serious. Hey, that's our sharpshooter. Y'all don't understand. We have a secret weapon. He's right there. Ah! Jesus! Said ah!
You got one, you got one, you got two, you got three. Three. You can push up, push up.
Here we go. Let's go. Let's get this. Send the unicorn! What? It's all about shooting, it's all about precision.
If you go at the second zipper, get low.
In here with a Teletubby, I've never felt more safe in my life. Focus, Nate! Where? What do we got?
Keep around the corner right here.
Hey! Stay tight in the corner. Bring in the heat! Bring in the heat! Call in the boy! Send him in! Focus, people! Man down! I hate it had to be him. Alright, so right now I know he's coming for me. I can feel it in my toes, deep down, wiggling around. I knew something was coming. It's in my soul right now. I know he's coming for me. I whip around. I hear him. Instead of being quiet, instead of being soft and subtle, he's loud, aggressive. He's making thunderous noises. I whip my gun around. Bam! Headshot. Boom! Headshot! Wig split. Thank you. Please come again. Take your ticket. No sandwich. Extra meat. Get your guacamole. 75 cents. Got him. Church! They're inside the church! Okay, we got two guys in the church, one guy in the back. Stay alive.
Hey, go, Sean, go.
No, we lost him. No. Good job, brother.
Hold up.
Yeah, I know. Get low. Let's go. You gotta control the people. The kids, you know what I'm saying? They're losing attention quick. They just want to run. Yeah, he's at the wall. There's the guy at the wall, people. John, just get ready. Hey, don't ever sneak up on a bear. You're gonna get your wig split. He tried to run up on me. He got his wig split. That was lit.
And then I ran up.
That was lit.
I was at the second zipper, holding it down with Bear and Sean. We got bunkers from both ways.
Well, he got bunkered. I turned around and hit him, you know, started to split wigs. You learned that from Bear.
Wow, first game of the day was wild. We did a little zipper action, chilled with the boys, get a feel of everybody, let everyone get a little warm up, you know what I'm saying? You can't come out here off the break and try to just throw hands because you think you're in a ring. You gotta slow down a little bit. You gotta hit the brakes, you know what I'm saying? Fall back. Purge boys are out here, BKB boys are out here, Giant Tactical Assassins are out here. A lot of shooters on the field. That was the first bloodbath, that was only 15 minutes. The second one we're about to do is about to be 30 minutes, so you know it's about to be even more crazier. Less than that though, bro, Hollywood Sports Giant Tactical Day is lit, man. There's over 100 people here just playing paintball, having fun, and that's what it's all about. Giant Tactical Day is just a day to have fun with your friends, listen to music, get giveaways. It's a great deal, $50 gets you a case of paint, entrance, air, admission, your rentals. So I mean, you can't beat it, and that's what we're trying to do out here. We're trying to grow the sport, trying to grow the community, and build this GT fan movement we got going on. Shout out to the refs right here, just holding it down on the sidelines, catching heat on the side, because people out here just be crazy. I got my boy Emilio with me, Emilio Esteban III. We call him the young El Chapo because he's out here taking names, you know what I'm saying? You ready for Giant Tactical Day? I don't think he's ready. He came in here with the ice. My people, he thinks he's going to prom.
I just can't support.
It's about to be crazy right now. My boy Chili out here getting W's. My boy Chili out here getting W's. Listen, he plays once a year, but when he plays, he's hunting. He's hunting.
Big W's already.
Let me explain to you what just happened right now.
We got the W, that's what happened.
Someone's coming.
We got the W.
So, hold on. So now we're switching sides, so now it's no bands versus bands. Idea though is we gotta stay alive for the first couple minutes, shoot a couple people, then go grab that flag, you know what I'm saying? I ain't trying to send people to the death. We're running low right now.
It's okay.
It's okay. Hey, shout out to my boy from Texas, Twisted Militia representing. We out here. Shout out to Big Jared over here, referee for Giant Tactical Day. Normally it would be Chili, but Chili's playing security guard role today, trying to get W.
Oh man.
A man of few words. A man of very few words.
Let this do all the talking, that's why.
Oh, we are scattered.
No one went left.
What happened to the game plan? We put together a whole game plan and everybody just scattered. No one went left.
We're totally gonna get wide from the left.
Go left. All right. No one stuck to the game plan. We lost all formation off the break. See what Sean's doing, bro. I don't trust him. Let's go, boys. Let's go. Hold down the middle. Never surrender. They're in the maze. Seems like the left is fully taken care of now. We've balanced out the sides. Now we're gonna go back to the right side and try to wrap around the field. Never surrender. We're losing bodies. Now I'm thinking to myself, what could I do in this situation? I could run down the field and get shot. I could try to open up the game. I could try to go in the maze, but the maze don't seem like a lot of action. And it's Giant Tactical Day, so we want that action. So right now I'm gearing up. I'm putting my car into fourth gear. I'm revving the engine and I'm taking off. Boom. What's going through my head right now? How many people can I shoot? How many wigs can I split? Can I win this game for my team? But people, let me tell you something. When you make a decision in life, you gotta stick by it. And the minute I turned that corner and I saw every single gun looking at me, I knew I was about to get my wig split in half. But I'm about to take as many people as I can with me because I'm a team player, people. So right now I'm gonna shoot those guys, I'm gonna shoot that guy, and that's a wrap. And that's what we call a little 1-2. You know what I'm saying?
That's how you do it. Get the W.
Jason, what's your name?
Damien.
Damien? You been playing? Oh, what's your name?
Albert.
Albert, I like that. You guys having fun out here?
Yes.
I see you in the rock. You were doing a little rock hide. I saw that. We call that the classic rock hide.
I ran out of paint then.
You ran out of paint? How do you expect to shoot me if you ran out of paintballs? There we go. Oh, here we go. I got my fast pitch throwers over here. I got my designated hitters, you know what I'm saying? What team we playing for now?
Padres, baby.
Padres. Yo, shout out to all my San Diego babes. You know what I'm saying? I'll catch you at park. You said, oh no. We got a Houston Astro in the house. Nah, we ain't about that life. Listen, I love the man, but you know it's Dodgers till I die. All right, check it out on today's version of BearDegidio's Pimp My Ride.
So you want to be a player?
I got the young TC. You already know what it is. He's like a hybrid between, you know, Party Next Door and like a DJ Khaled. You know what I'm saying? Like he's an inspirational dude, but he still's got the dread. My boy's car changes in the sun. He really think he's something right now, bro. It sounds like it.
Are those 10s? Are they 20s? Are they 22? Oh wait,
I don't even know what we're counting. You pull up to the curb and you go, because you don't got that full lean with it, rock with it. You know, but he'll get with it. Yes, sir. Yo, he's staying hydrated with his calcium at all time with a fresh banana in the car. Shout out to my boy staying healthy. He's got water, but he's got no red Gatorade. DVD remote. He's got a DVD remote, but he got no DVD player. He got a classic NWA CD. People, we don't even have CD players anymore. Oh, but it's a mixtape. It's not even the real CD. Finishing touch.
Allure by Chanel.
He got he got a cologne bottle. It has a southern smell of like waffles. It smells like the Waffle House. Thanks for watching BearDegidio's Pimp My Ride. All right, here we go. This is one of the last games before lunch. I got all the boys out here. I got all the best shooters with me. You already know I got the GT fam. We're going to attack the tower. We got to stay alive for 20 minutes while 65 people attack us. Hopefully we can make it through. I believe in my guys. I think we got this.
Attention all paintball soft players, all paintball soft defense.
Like, I don't got a lot of advice for you guys right now, but I will keep it short and simple. You know what I'm saying? Shoot them when they shoot at you. Hide when they shoot at you. Don't get shot.
Aim by taking all those guys out, but you don't want to get shot out as well. All right, guys? That's basically the game.
Stop the game!
Nobody was over here. What's that? Oh, I love it.
It was crazy.
Day in the life.
Listen, this was attack the tower. This is what happens. You go in the tower for 20 minutes, you may not make it out. You know what I'm saying? Stand up. If you stand up, you get your head chopped off. So many people were shooting. The energy was unreal. This is what it's all about. This is Giant Tactical Day, man. Attack the tower was a success. You want it?
Yes.
All right, you can have it.
Yeah.
Oh my God. Here we go. I like it. Here we go. You want a patch?
Thank you.
Special edition, arm bars and albacore, my favorite thing. Hey, slow down, everyone will get one.
Let's see. 1, 2, 3.
The fan here, the belt to turn on and off. We're at the Pod Pack GT fam. I'm Chandler.
Where are you from?
Irvine.
Chandler from Irvine, the official winner of the Giant Tactical Day Halloween contest with the unicorn. What's his name? Rosie. Unicorn Rosie wins it all, boys. So he won a 1-year membership to Hollywood Sports Park and a case of paint. And we'll see you guys at the next Giant Tactical Day. I'm BearDegidio. Thanks for watching. We out.